Hi there everyone, this is Michael Carey. I wanted to provide a suggestion on one of the tools that you could use while we are working on developing our SRS and SDD document. This particular tool is called Microsoft Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio Code. This is the tool that I've been using as I've been editing the markdown files, and it has a number of really nice features. So I just wanted to throw this out as an option. If you're looking for a particular editor, I know that there's a number of them out there. Pick the one that works best for you, of course. First off, I wanted to give a quick tour here. It has an option for exploring various different files, and you can actually open up a particular folder on your computer hard drive as a project space. So it actually opens up all the files in this file panel right over here. You have the ability to search within the files and file names. It also has a GitHub integration, so you can actually see that there's a couple of revision changes here that I can actually check in to GitHub through this tool. This is if you were doing code. It has a debug feature, and it has an extensions. Now the number of extensions that I've installed here help me with PHP, Java and HTML type stuff. Actually, I don't know if I got the Java installed on this one. Anyways, so C and C++, C Sharp, and some debugger for Chrome. Now, what I would recommend is if you do decide to use the Microsoft Visual Studio Code, this is not Visual Studio, this is a lightweight, free Visual Studio program, that you install the markdown lint editor. And what it will do is it will provide tools and resources for when you're editing a .md file. It's got over 289,000 downloads so far, and it has a ranking of about 4.5. So if I switch over here to our documents, so I can open up our final documents. Obviously here I have a build script for building our document out, and then the individual document. So this would be what the final document would look like. So if you take a look at this, there's not a whole lot to it. It looks pretty plain. What's really nice about this particular tool is if I come over here to preview, and this comes with that plugin, it will then provide a view or a preview of what the document will kind of look like and provide inline editing. So here, as you can see, there's the table of contents. Table of contents is there. And so as I'm going through and editing various different sections, it kind of gives me a general rough idea of what the document is going to wind up looking like. So this was just a quick suggestion as a particular tool. Just so you are aware, this tool is available to be able to run on Windows as well as various different other operating systems. So this is not just limited to Microsoft Windows. It is compatible on the Mac and on various different versions of Linux as well as Windows.